Good afternoon guys, it's Jenny here from Just Jenny Journaling. Welcome back to my channel. Well, today is a quick share, as promised yesterday, of the ephemera packs I've popped together. I popped them together basically whilst I was making or just embellishing Meadow and Cornflower. And so the flip through of those I can link down below so you can see the inspiration for these little packs. But what I was doing while I was taking some preparing some of these little bits here, these little I just carried on going and decided that I'd be able, there'd be enough to share. There'd be enough to share and pop them into packs. So I've done 8 and we have 7 here, 7 with this little Etsy. And I'm just going to take 2 or 3 apart, well maybe a couple really, so you get the gist of what's in these packs. So it's basically the things that I've popped together to embellish those 2 journals, the fabrics, some of the pages, the vintage tea cards. I thought I would just put a little pack together so that you could perhaps use them to do something similar yourself. Should you, well, yeah, so you would like, if you want to pop them in one journal, that's fine. Or if you wanted to take them to bits and put them in a few. So I've taken the liberty of just choosing some of these pages from the different books and fabrics as well. So I'll just give you an idea. I did think of doing them each individually, but it's going to be a long video. And I think it's a good idea for you just to get an idea of what's in each pack. I'm going to just list them on one listing as 7 packs, and basically they'll come out in not in any particular order, just as I send them. So so first and foremost, let's have a look at this. This is from a houseplant book that I have, and I've not got many pages left. There's a page or double page of these in each of the packs, but you can just see how beautiful the images are on these, and you can do what you like with them, put them in one journal or not. I've popped 3, some are tea dyed and a bit crinkly, of these Royal Horticultural postcards. I've popped 3 of those in each pack. So you get a houseplant page, 3 of these. You get this sort of beautiful summer wildflower pages. You get a page of those to do with what as you wish. And I've also popped just it's a page of this. They're beautiful. These remind me of little seed packets actually. These images. So you get a page of those in each. You get either you get the tea cards actually on their original pages. So these are of birds, so it could be birds, butterflies or wildflowers. I've also popped in 3 pages of this is from a vintage gardening encyclopedia, as opposed to dictionary pages that are in the book, in the journals. But I've done it so that you have nice images on each of the pages. And what I did, what I did in the journals was I popped them on their side, and then I basically popped a postage stamp. I popped a postage stamp on the side and then did like a postmark, and so it looked like a little postcard. That's the effect. That's what I did with those. But I just think, oh, these images beautiful. So there are 3 of those in each pack. And I popped a selection of 3 different postage stamps in each as well, in each pack. So let's pop that there. I'll keep that all together. I've also done a selection of fabrics. They're all going to be different sizes, guys, in the different packs, but the fabrics are from the same design. Okay, so actually this one, that's probably going to be in a couple of them. There's only a small piece left. So enough to make a little pocket, little tabs if you would wish to, or just to embellish. I think I just did some little strips, to be honest, and layered with the cutouts. The lace pieces, guys, are different in each, different sizes and different types of lace. So that's in that one, and I'll show you just a couple of examples of the others. So yeah, and then in each pack you will get five of these. Let me know what you think, because I've got some more of these that I'm going to pop in little packs. I think it's useful just to have them like this rather than inked already, because then it gives you the choice as to, for instance, for this one, whether you wanted to ink round it in the green or the brown or the pink, depending on what you're working with. I thought that might be useful and a useful idea for that. So that's one. Let's give you a little flip through or share of this one, just so you get the idea. So there's going to be 7 altogether. Just how different they are. It's different lace again, but it's the same formula, so you get the same amount, but there'll be different sizes and different colours. So let's start with this one. So the house plant, so this is the wildflower page, which I think is gorgeous. Absolutely. And as I said, with both of these books, I do have a spare to keep and just look at, and that's why I could bear to actually share some in journals and also in these kits too. So and that's the one. Right, so what have we got here? So these tea cards, and this one you've got butterflies, and the Royal Horticultural Society postcards, to do with what you wish, or as you wish, should I say. Is that best English? I'm not sure. Right, so these are the 3. How beautiful. How beautiful is that? Cyclamen. Always makes a lovely picture. Lovely image. Let's take that. Let's put that there, and I've got the 3. I'm going to pop just the 3. Now these are butterfly and birds. I've got a swan on, swan stamp. And the fabric pieces and the lace in this one. Now the lace in this one is a white one, and I think I've used pieces of each of those in those journals. Fabric's more or less the same. Okay. But just different sizes, so the different so it's 5 pieces in this one as well. Okay, so that's that one. Oh dear, let's not do that. Let's not do that. And then let's guide you back like that, because I'm on a little stool and I am on my back door, because I'm trying to get the last of the daylight before the end of the day. Oh, right, last one then, guys, but I just want you to get the gist. I'm going to do on the Etsy listing, I will pop just different pictures up of the different sets, but let's try that one. I have a different lace to this one. What are we doing? Let's have a look at this one. Let's have a look at that one. Oh, do you know what? We could go on and on, couldn't we? Beautiful, beautiful. That's... I will open one more, but just so you get a bit of a idea of how they look, the different sets. I was going to list them each individually, but I did feel that would be so time consuming. I'm trying to keep the cost really reasonable down on these. So if I was to spend, you know, 3 hours photographing every single one and uploading them to Etsy, I couldn't afford to do it in a cost-effective manner. So I'm going to just list them and send them out as we go. And I'd love to see what you guys do with them. It'd be really interesting to see what you do with them. So I love this image. I absolutely adore that. I like that, and I think I thought I'd get all flattered myself. Oh, did I find a... Where was it? Oh, anyway, let's go for that. Oh, yes, I thought that this, and that went really well. Just kind of, didn't it? Just kind of. So, that's the spring flower. Ooh, that is such a beautiful image. Look at the pink and the yellow. And again, the pink and the yellow combo there, I think, is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Anyway, stop, Jen, stop. Just move on. Move on. I have a word with myself. Now, so wildflowers on this one. Wildflowers. 3 postcards. And what have I got here? That's quite nice. That's nice. Where's the extra page? There was an extra page. That's the pictures on those. Now where's that? Somewhere I've got, yeah, the 3 stamps that go, I pop in there. And then, oh yes, this is the house plant page. That is beautiful. I love that. I love it. Red and the yellow. I love them all, to be honest. Look at the little pots. And the lace on this one is very different again. This one's been tea dyed, this piece. So that's that one. And there's what your 5 pieces of. So these are lovely for actually just putting onto, I think I did some straight onto the page. Some I did onto the dictionary page, which looks lovely, either sewn or not sewn, or really fussy cut out and layered. I love this one. I love that. There you go, guys. So that's that one. So that's the give you an idea. I'll give you an idea of what to expect. So I hope they're useful. I hope they're useful, and as I say, I will be doing smaller packs just of these, I think, to pop in the shop. But got a very busy weekend ahead, so it might not be till next week now, because I've got the giveaway to orchestrate, and a couple of extra bits, a couple of new things that are going in the shop as well, and the giveaway, well, one of them is for the giveaway, so I need to get that done. So anyway, guys, as I said, this is on Etsy now. Do enjoy, and if you were to purchase one of these little sets and make something beautiful with it, or add it to something beautiful, I'd love to see it. Either sort of, you know, let's do it on Instagram or Facebook. That'd be fab. Thank you. Take care, guys. Bye-bye. Bye.